Okay, we are going to deal with changing of subject of a formula. First thing, let's deal with something that you are familiar with. Area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle is length times breadth. So, take note, the subject of the formula will always be on the left-hand side. It must be on the left-hand side of the equation. If it's not on the left-hand side, we have to make sure it's on the left-hand side. So, take a look. Oh, teacher, area is length times breadth. What happens if I want to make L the subject? Look at it. There are a few things that they do. Look, L is on the right-hand side. To make it on the left-hand side, I do what we call a mutual swap. Later, I'm going to do this with you all. After you do the mutual swap, length times breadth, I don't want the breadth. Very good. I divide by breadth. Later, I'll show you using numbers as well. So now, they change. L becomes the subject because L is on the left-hand side. Alright? So, a few important things. So, this is the one thing I want you to take note. The subject must be on the left-hand side. So, if I want X to be the subject, X can only be on the left-hand side. What Suni said just now, A, in part A, there's an X on the left, there's an X on the right. So, no, X is not the subject. But in part B, it's very clear, X is the only one on the left side. So, in part B, yes. In part C, Martin also say no. Why? There's an X on the left, there's an X on the right. So, X is not only on the left. So, this is not X being the subject as well. Alright? Okay.